Name of sickness in Dinka language. Number one, Mangok. Mangok. Mangok mean meningitis. Meningitis. Number two, Malengdit. Malengdit. Malengdit mean smallpox. Smallpox. Number three, Adarwal. Adarwal. Adarwal mean HIV or AIDS. Number four, BU. BU mean gonorrhea. 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 Number five, beer or book. Beer or book mean syphilis. Syphilis. Lachiriam. Lachiriam. Lachiriam mean urinate blood. Urinate blood. But this one lachiriam urinate blood. But this mean urine blood is a error. Abort. Abort mean swelling. Swelling. The last one, Yanyiriam. Yanyiriam. Yanyiriam mean bloody diarrhea or dysentery. Let's call Yanyiriam by William Majak. Please follow for more Dinka videos. Bye. Nyali kawek.